In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sound in TikTok. So if you want to add your own sound to TikTok videos so that you can use them on the platform, then you want to make sure to keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, step number one is to record a clip with your audio. So you can use a YouTube video. You can go to YouTube and search for copyright-free music, then click on a video and then record it, or you can use any sort of audio. Just make sure you have a clip attached to it. So that doesn't need to be a video clip or whatever, you just want to make sure that it's MP4. So you can do that by downloading a screen recording app or using the built-in screen recorder from your device. I'm using AZ or AZ screen recorder. As you can see right there, I'm also using that for this video. So step number one is to create a clip with your audio. Next up, go to TikTok, click on the plus icon, click on upload, and then select that clip. So as you can see right there, let me just click, you'll see that this is my clip. This is the clip with my sound. There you go. So there's sound attached to this. You then want to click on next. So make sure you upload the clip with your audio. So right now it's processing my video. Let's see, click on next again. And then right there you can post this. Okay, so you have to post this public. So I'm gonna post this right now, and then let's just wait until that's done. Let's hope it doesn't take too long. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here for copyright purposes because I'm not sure how many videos are gonna show up, but there you go. Okay, so after you posted it, you wanna close the TikTok app and you wanna open it again. And then you want to go to your own profile page. Let me do that. Click on me, click on the video, and then click on the sound icon at the bottom right corner. And then right there you'll see original sound. You can then add it to your favorites, and you can also use this sound. You can edit the title as well. How to digital, then click on confirm again, and then you can actually use that sound. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.